Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate that so much. So let's go ahead and talk about the Acura ZDX, and this is their fully electric version based off the Ultium platform from General Motors. And we have camo down. The camouflage has been taken down. So let's go check out the design of the Acura ZDX. Loki, I'm so proud of myself because for once we are early. Usually I'm like couple days late, but not today. Today we are on time, and so this is what the Acura ZDX is gonna look like. I kind of like this. It kind of has like the trait of an Acura, or what an Acura looks like, at least from the front. Just by looking at this, you know, specifically the grille design, this is only exclusive to Acura, and you can kind of see like the little A, even though it's I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but anyway, I like the headlights too. It looks pretty unique. It's different than any other vehicles that I've seen out there. um, so let's go on. So obviously you have your charge port right here. I wish we can see the rear of the I wish you could see the rear of the of what it looks like, but you know what? It is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. Thank you very much, whoever caught this thing and took a photo of it. Really appreciate that guy. So let's go ahead and see if there are more photos of the 20 or next generation electric from Acura. Um, this one, the ZDX as well as the Prologue, are going to be using the same platform from General Motors, the Ultium platform. I guess that's what they're utilizing. So let me go ahead and see if there's any other photos, maybe even like a rear photo of it. That'd be nice, but let's go see if we can't find anything. I was able to find additional photos from Motor Authority. Motor Authority. So yeah, it's, hang on, let me see if I can move this over a little bit. There you go, guys. So here we go. So you got a little bit of a different perspective. I kind of like the all black on the mirror, on the side mirrors. I don't know, I'm weird. Um, and then like I want like the finish also on the door handles. I think the black looks nice, nice little accents. I think this should have been white, but that's it's not up to me. I don't get to design. But overall, it looks just like any other SUV crossover that that are obviously selling extremely well because they just keep shoving them down our throats. You would figure Honda would start with something a little bit smaller and then work their way up to their big one. I think they were on the right track when they made the I don't know if you guys remember, but at one point Honda did make a Honda Fit fully electric, and that one was their first EV vehicle, but it didn't have a lot of range. Just like Toyota also has made an electric vehicle in the past, it did not have a lot of range that they partnered with Tesla to make their batteries. It didn't have a lot of range as always, but I think they were on the right track if they just kind of like proceeded to just keep on, keep on keeping on with their with with that vision. I think they would have been a lot more successful, or at least a lot more competitive when it comes to the EV market. Now they are the last. The Japanese are literally falling behind when it comes to electrification, comparing to other brands like Tesla, as well as GM has been going full force when it comes to EV, as well as even Nissan, believe it or not, even though it is a Japanese company. But Honda and Toyota are definitely behind when it comes to electrification, but they've been partnering up with GM to make several different EVs. That we have this one, the Prologue. The Prologue is Honda's, and then we have the ZDX, which is the Acura. But they're both going to be utilizing the same Ultium platform from General Motor. And then after that, I think Honda is partnering up with Sony to make I think it's a feel or something like that, and that's their car that they're developing, with Sony without GM and all that. And that one's going to be sold directly to consumer, which I am all for because I'm tired of you fucking dealerships. with all the games and shenanigans you guys play. But overall design, I liked it. But hang on a second, let me see. I like this right here too, where you can, I can't, the camera is literally like right in my face. So like this is nice right here. Maybe you can put your front license plate right here. Maybe this is a place for it. But anyway, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. This is just an early look at the Acura ZDX. If I find more photos or if there's any more information that I have, I will share with you guys. Let me see. I'm trying to see if there was also another photo here, but it's the same one. But anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.